Hey buddy. Cool plane you were flying. Is that a F-14?
No. A U-2.
Oh, it looks like an F-14. I love planes. Especially fighters like yours.
Aha. I can tell.
The other day I saw a guy with a F-16. You know F-16? It is the fighter that has 2 ailerons.
Fighter with 2 ailerons? Aha. Yes, I know your F-16.
He was doing all those maneuvers.
I see.
Why don't you do maneuvers with your plane?
Well, aggressive flight needs a more appropriate place.
It's because your plane doesn't have 2 ailerons?
Well, it happens that my plane has only 1 vertical stabilizer, but I can guarantee you that it has 2 ailerons.
Vertical stabilizer. No, that is the aileron.
Aha. If you say so.
Anyways, the other guy was making tunas and loopings right here. You should try.
Well, the park is crowded. It's not wise to risk and crash in a person or a car.
But the other guy didn't crash. Do you really know how to make those cool maneuvers?
I do.
So why don't you do some tunas with your U2? Only 1 or 2.
No.
I don't think you really know how to do it. The other guy did. He is not boring like you.
Good for him.
Would you let me fly your plane a little bit? I bet I can do some acrobatics.
Have you ever fly one RC plane?
No. But I have Microsoft Simulator, and I fly a lot in my computer.
It's not the same. To control the plane requires some experience with the radio.
Oh? I have a radio.
Really? What brand?
It is a Boston Acoustics. It's the best. My daddy gave it to me for birthday.
Boston Acoustics. Aha. Well, in that case, you will also need to learn how to use the controller.
I have 2 controllers that came with my Wii. I play a lot. It will be a piece of cake to teach me.
Oh, sorry. I can't. It requires a different plane and other controller.
Oh, I see. Another plane.
Yes.
To fly in formation.
No. To teach you how to fly.
Yes, like the Blue Angels. They also learn how to do the acrobatics flying in formation. You know, with their F-16.
F-16? Blue Angels?
Yes. You know they fly F-16 with 2 ailerons. Are you sure you like planes? You don't seem to know much about it.
Yes. I'm pretty sure I know planes. But not like you.
I can see that. I really love planes. I know everything about them. My father promised he will give me a remote-controlled plane so I can fly too.
Really?
Yes. After my friend showed his plane, I asked my father to give me one.
Oh, so your friend fly an RC?
No. But he found a very cool plane in his yard. He lives 5 blocks from here.
Oh really? By any chance it was a Blackbird?
No, it was really a plane. He was lucky. My friend's father said it is a SR-71, but I am pretty sure it is the F-16 because it has 2 ailerons.
Well, so now will your father give you a SR-71 too?
No. I asked my dad to give me one B2. It is a fighter too.
Aha. Well, I think you should start with something a bit slower. Like a Piper Cub.
Oh, no. I don't want to fly paper clips. I want real airplanes like yours.
I guess you do.
Won't you let me fly just a little bit? I promise not to crash your plane.
Kid, I tell you what. I am going home now, but when you get your B-2 fighter, I bring my U-2 with only 1 aileron.
Cool.
Would you bring your friend along with the plane he found in his yard?
Sure. Then we can all fly in a big formation. Everybody in the park will love to see our maneuvers. 3 fighters.
Aha. I'm sure the police will love it too.
You think they would come to see us? Really? The police? That would be awesome.
Oh yes, finally something we agree. It will be really awesome to see the police here and that Blackbird around.
Yes. My friend will love it too.